Okay, so I'm here in my Expo project. As you can see, this is an Expo project. And what I'm going to show you how to do is how to create beautiful app icons using AI. So as you can see here, I have an assets folder that has an icons subfolder. So if we go into here, we see that there's only one icon.png, and I'll show you what that looks like. That's what this is. And it's hooked up in my app.config.ts right here. So what I want to do is I want a better app icon, and I want it to be more than just a single icon for Android and for Apple. I want all the proper assets and sizes to make this universally compliant with all the different platforms. So what you'll run in the project's root here is npx create app icon, and then this will open up a website in which you can communicate with this AI to describe how you want your app icon to look. And as you can see at the top, it says connected to US counties, which is the name of my Expo project. So I'm just going to say a green map of the United States of America with grid lines taken out of it. That's kind of what I'm going for. So we'll see what the AI comes with here. Awesome. Okay, so that's pretty good. I like it a lot, actually. I think that'll look great. Let's go ahead and pick a background. And you can choose between all these colors. You can choose a specific background color, or you can do your own custom gradient. I think, honestly, I pretty much just like this kind of off-white gradient. I don't know if the green goes better or worse. I think we're going to go with this. So let's go ahead and generate the assets. And as you can see here, this will set up assets for your splash screen. iOS is the dark and light. Now, this is a little weird because, as you can see, there's lighter green lines, and this is all just white. Now, that's because it's on the show background. Let's just do solid on dark, and I think that looks a lot nicer. And then the adaptive foreground, the adaptive background, and adaptive monochrome. And this is how our configuration file is going to look. So let's go ahead and wire this in by clicking this button here. It'll close the tab, and it will send you back over to the terminal here. And it just wants your confirmation because it's going to overwrite the one icon file you had previously with these 10 new PNGs. So let's go ahead and confirm that. And that's it. Let's go back into VS Code here, and we can see we have all those different files here, all into the project. Our favicon, our adaptive background and foreground, the tinted, the dark, iOS light, splash, and now these are ready to ship.